Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial of C programming for beginners. Hi, this is Sakthi Arun, M.Tech student from NIT Patna. I'm technically supporting the missile Ingeniator. So far, we have covered the module of basic introduction to C programming, structure of C programmings, variables, constants, and the operators in C. Okay, so all these are basically it's like a building blocks for an any C programmings. Okay, so from this lesson onwards, I am going to explain about the decision making in the C programming. So, okay, so basically decision making is like you take any decision based upon your conditions. Okay, say like you have some 100 rupee, so you go to an restaurant. Okay, so if you have 20 rupee, you go to a tea stall for drinking and tea. Okay, so based upon the conditions or statement whatever you have with you, okay, you take a decision based upon that statement. Okay, so the first one which I'm going to explain in the decision making is a if statement. Okay, basically what if statement represents is if. Okay, so mock the word. What if is stating is if you have something as this value, then you try to do this. Okay, it's like conditionally you are mentioning it like okay, so let me give an practical example so that you will give it a better understanding with if statement. Okay, to understand the concept, let me declare a variable called a. Okay, int a, and then I'm okay, so I'll use this one variable. So what I'm doing is I'm going to okay, for your understanding, let me say I am assigning the value to money. Okay, so int money, so you have money as money equal to 100. Okay, so then I'm telling like if in case if my money is I say it's 20. Okay, if the value is greater than 20, then you can say that you we are then print the value that you can go to restaurant. Okay, so we have enough amount to enough amount to go to restaurant. Okay, so or hotel, you can say hotel for eating. Okay, in this manner, so let me run the program here so that you'll get a better understanding. Okay, so okay, sorry, I didn't admit here, let me rerun it. Yeah, so if you see here what okay, there is a small spelling here, let me rerun it by saving it. Okay, so yes. So what we are trying to do here is if my money is greater than 20, okay, then I'm printing the statement that we have enough amount to go to hotel. Okay. So what happens here is I declare the value of money to be 100 as 100 is greater than 20. Okay. Then I'm deciding that I can go for a hotel. Okay. So in case if my money is only 15 rupee, if I have only 15 rupee. Okay, then what happens is this value is not sufficient. Yes, so we can't go for an hotel. Okay, so basically if statement is trying to find whether the condition is true or not. Okay, if the condition is true, then what happens is you can it goes inside the if loop, and it execute whatever the body of that if loop, and then come out of this loop statement. Okay, so the basic syntax for if statement is we have to have if. Okay, sorry, so let me remove this for time being. So we have to type if, then give some conditions here, like you can say money equal to 15. Okay, for assigning a value you have to give a single equal, and if you are trying to find for any conditional or equal to, then you have to use double equal to symbols. Okay, so if money is equal to 15, then you can print, or you can do any type of like a printing, or you can also do some okay, so for timing I'm just using as a value like printf. So printf is used for printing the value, so you can print the values. Okay, so this is what if statement. Yeah, you can also say that if I have money less than if I have money less than 20. Okay, then I can say I am eligible to go for an tea shop. Okay, So I am eligible to okay, I can go to T stall. Okay, T start. So now if I run the program, okay. So basically this 20 is less than 15. That's why this statement is got true. So it went inside the body and it printed these values. Okay. What if I have this value as greater than okay. So now this condition is false because money's value is 15. 15 is not greater than 20. Okay. So now if I run the program, okay, so nothing will be printed because only if the condition is true it goes inside the body of that if condition, it execute this. Okay, if it is fail, it don't get inside this body of the function, it just ignore whatever present inside the body of the if statement. Okay, so in our further lecture video I'll be explaining much more concept with the if statement. Okay, so if you guys have any doubt in if statement, please post it in the comment section. Okay, thank you all for watching this video.